That's why I always use my Bulgar or Abante before reading about the sex. Then my brother talked to me. This is the secret time that my brother talked my family when my brother are getting married in Roman Catholic. That's why I told to my family that that's my brother Jennifer do that harassment to me when I was in college. That's why I remember when my brother Vincent go to the casino, my brother talked to me. We go to the room and have harassment like a sex. Don't do that. So I talked to my brother. Don't do that. I said to you that I told to our parents that you do that to me. Then my brother shocked when I told that my parents asking I told to them that he get a harassment to me about the sex like a look, but I I asked to my parents, I asked to my brother that Jennifer that don't do that, brother. I tell to our parents about you doing to me. That's why it's close to me that it's our relationship have gap. Then I go home with along with my 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 friends. They go out me, then allowed me to go on before my brother is very controllable to me when I was in college. I very control. Then when we're going Mindoro, then allowed me to go home with alone. That's why I freedom before when we do that before. Then the harassment of my brother, I thought that we have no, they are always thinking about me that my parents, Virilio and Cheryl and Nelber is focusing and other my relatives of Winston. I think my Vincent told me that in my mind that I, when I always in thinking that mine Jay and I they have happened about the sex. So no, they have no happening in our sex. They go in harassment only for me. But they never do that. I told you. Then we need to talk in the lawyer if you ever have a question. I told to myself and if ever do that in the court in Malay, I do that question to them. That's why my question is very my telling it's very sensitive because all my parents are very all my brothers are more brothers asking me and my sister that no sex happening and no that's only harassment. Talk to me, my brother. That's it's cutting that when at the time happened that we talk about, we are allowing me going out with only me, with only alone with me. That's why I have do it that happen, but never do sex with my brother. I clear that, okay? Bye.